Hi everyone, this is new issue laptop review video. So don't waste the time. Let's go to the video.
The Zephyrus G15 for 2022 comes with a 15.6-inch 1440p display, most excellent for gamers, over 8 hours of battery life, AMD's Ryzen 9 6900H CPU, punchy keyboard, good audio and much more. ASUS is the best in the business when it comes to gaming laptops. Under the Republic of Gamers ROG brand, ASUS has a number of gaming laptops to suit everyone's requirements. The Zephyrus G series is my favorite amongst the lot. The 2022 variant of the Zephyrus G15 might just be the company's best gaming laptop. The Zephyrus is known for portability, utility, great battery life, and top-of-the-line hardware. The package is delivered in a great and thoughtful design package that exudes quality. The Zephyrus G15 for 2022 comes with a 15.6-inch 1440p display, most excellent for gamers, over 8 hours of battery life, AMD's Ryzen 9 6900H CPU, punchy keyboard, good audio and much more. The laptop comes with an NVIDIA RTX 3080 in the high-end model. The fully spec'd out variant will cost you a cool ₹990. The Zephyrus G15 comes in two color variants, Eclipse Grey or Moonlight White, and we got the latter for review. The Moonlight White will be an instant winner amongst its consumers. It's got a striking appeal that isn't too flashy. It's bold but unassuming. It's an all-white design that is spiced up with a backlit keyboard. The keys may be all white, but they have RGB lighting to provide some spark. The keyboard has 1.7mm travel distance and a silent typing experience.
So this is was today video. I hope like. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.